Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Youth Beauty. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. Today I'll be working with a 20-inch 5x5 lace closure wig in the texture Jerry Curly. So this is an HD lace closure wig. It does come with 4 combs as well as an adjustable strap. The first thing that I did off camera was bleach the knots. I used 20 volume cream developer as well as L'Oreal's Quick Blue powder lightener. After bleaching the knots, I decided to pluck some hairs from the hairline. To do this step, I'll be doing the beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. I am so obsessed with the hairline. Now it's time to move on to tinting the lace. Because HD lace comes transparent, I'm going to tint it to become a perfect color match for my complexion. Grabbing a custom lace tint in my foundation shade, I'm going to spray that along the hairline because that will be right where my foundation is on my forehead, and I need that to be a perfect match. Next, I'm grabbing a lighter colored lace tint. I'm going to spray that on the rest of the closure. That's going to be the color of my scalp. I'm doing 2 different layers of each lace tint and blow drying in between each layer. Okay, so now it's time to style the wig. I'm just going to grab small sections of hair, detangle it with my detangling comb. Then I'm going to grab a spray bottle of water, fully saturate the section that I'm working on. Grabbing some curling gel, I'm going to apply that to the hair and use my Denman brush to comb through the hair to make sure that the curls pop. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and I'll come right back. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut along the hairline to remove the extra lace. Okay, so on to the easy part. Now that we've done all of that work, it's time to install the wig. I'm grabbing the wig. I'm going to line up all of the combs to where I want it to be. Then I am going to push the wig backwards, grabbing Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel in the black tube. I'm going to apply a thin layer of that to where the closure will lay. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to just press it into that Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel. Using the back of a rat tail comb, I'm just going to make sure that the lace and the gel are coming in contact with each other. Grabbing my headscarf, I'm going to allow it to set for about 15 minutes. HD lace front wigs, HD lace closure wigs, they just take wigs to a whole nother level. As you can see, it's completely undetectable. I am obsessed with this closure. I am obsessed with these curls. This is definitely giving me beach vacation vibes. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm just going to add a hair polisher to the hair just to give it a wet look shine so that it is shiny and beautiful and just healthy looking. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.